already. We're trying to put this back together. You guys can see it's looking clean and everything. And we're wiping it and everything. So we just put this one on. Yeah, that's a new gasket right there. Yeah, this gasket, just two of these gaskets, like $80, bro. So one, and then two on the other one. And I think three gaskets for $80. The small ones go in here. You gotta make sure you replace the gasket. So it's clean, everything. You know, that's it, man. You gotta do it on your own. Otherwise, what was the price that for the new one? This guy said to get a new replacement for this, like almost $4,000. Yeah, he said this one was $2,200, and then this little one was like $1,500 or something. No, I said 20. He said $2,700. This one was $2,700, and then this one was like $1,500, so almost $4,000, bro. But we clean it and then we put it on ourselves. You know. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. I have to use jack to jack this up. I'm dealing with some diesel mechanic over here. All right, so we have it back together. It took us half a day to get it, but I guess the driver is about to start it so we can see. Go ahead, boss. Good. Yeah. Got it, man. We got it. Yeah, so we took care of it. I'm pretty tired because we've been on this since, I could say, maybe 2 p.m. So it's about 6 o'clock right now. But for the fact that we put the exhaust pipe back on, that's really good. It's running good though, really good. That's what you should do, man. Because the dealership gonna charge you a lot of money. When you go to them, they're gonna charge you almost $4,000 just for that part, just for the brand new filter, exhaust filter. They're gonna charge you almost $4,000 just for that, right? Then we're not talking about labor. You know what I mean? So for the fact that we took it. We did a pressure washer and everything. The truck is idling pretty good. Like it's running really smooth. Before we took this apart, the truck used to vibrate like vroom, vroom, vroom. But now it don't make that sound anymore, man. You know, and all the thanks to my driver, Elijah. It's a really good dude, man. You know what I'm saying? He like working on cars just like me too, so that's the good thing. I got all the tools, but sometimes a project like this, you want to have somebody to help you, and he's kind of like taking care of pretty much everything. So I'm just assisting him. See that? Running good. See that? So check it out. We got no more engine light, baby. Engine light is gone. It used to say right there, DPF filter. All the lights was on. I apologize if I didn't show you guys because I was freaking out about this thing, man. See that? No more engine lights. Everything looks clean. Check this out. We used to get all of this. We were getting a DPF filter, whatever. Every little stuff you see here, all the little things, we used to get everything. engine lights, we got that red thing right there where they say bolt off the road. We got that. We got this. We got this. We got everything. But now it's done, and the truck is running smooth. That's how you do it. We just save ourselves over $4,000 to $5,000 by doing this thing, man. The only thing you need, a pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, go Home Depot and get yourself a pressure washer. They're like $200 or $300 depending on the PSI, right? Mine is 3,100 PSI. I have it for almost 3 or 4 years now, right? So go Home Depot and get yourself a pressure washer and take the thing out and wash it, and that's it. But you just need somebody like my driver though. If you don't have someone like him, you're not gonna be able to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, even though I know how to work on cars, but for the fact that he knows what he's doing, so he and I together, we able to work this out. I appreciate you, man.
What's alcohol?
Huh?
The alcohol.
The alcohol? Oh, you want to drink alcohol? Saw the other side messing with my driver. Yeah, man. You know, I try to be friend with all my drivers. You know, like I think that it's on the other side there. You're good, right? There's paper towel right there. Like I said, now we don't have any more lights, as you guys can see right there, man. This is your boy from Africa, man. I will see you guys in the next video. This is the hustle. When you're in this trucking business, you gotta be able to do something for yourself. Otherwise, your money gonna stay with mechanic and everything. I don't mind buying the parts, but I hate when somebody charging me for something that I know how to do. You know what I'm saying? Peace and love. Yeah. Look at that. Woo, baby. We got a brand new exhaust filter right now, baby. That was a really good job we did there. These are all the old gasket right there. All pieces of gasket. You know? We have to replace all of these, man. So yeah, truck is running good. No engine lights. You know, that's the way you do. Everything's great, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. So we're taking this bad boy for the test drive, right? This truck won't go 45 miles per hour. It won't go past 45 miles per hour. We're just going like this until we park it over here. But let's see if it's gonna go past at least 50 or 60 miles per hour. Unfortunately, I don't have something to hold my phone. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, man, we're gonna hustle, bro. Oh yeah, baby. Oh man, this is great. Man, you couldn't feel any power like that a few days ago, man. Wow. A few days ago, bro, like seriously. You hit the gas until you get tired hitting the gas. Go! My truck is back to time, man. Let's go! Man, I swear to God, right? This just saved almost 4,000, maybe more. Because just the parts alone, right? Just the parts alone, bro. Yep, we get on the highway now. Let's see how this thing can go. Well, we at 55 miles per hour already. What? a semi. No way. Hey, can we? You remember a few days ago we cannot take the left lane. Let's take the left lane. We are 75 miles per hour, baby. Whoa. We're 75 miles per hour right now. You ain't gonna believe it, right? Yeah, if the problem didn't solve by now, you saw the engine lights on. Oh, actually, it's governor. So it's governor on 75 miles. That's why it's not going past 75 miles.
73, I think 75.
Wow. But man, the power is ridiculous. Wow. You see that? You see that power? A few days ago, couldn't even think about getting in the left lane, bro. Yeah. No way. See that? 75 miles. We got a governor on 75, so you cannot go past 75. But other than that, the speed is great. Whoa, guys. Yeah, thanks to my professional driver, man. He's a mechanic at the same time. No way, bro. Whoa. This is the truck that I remember. To the truck is crazy right now. Look, the moment you release the gas, you press it again, it's there.